National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Hancock County in central Kentucky, northwestern Butler County in south central Kentucky, southwestern Breckinridge County in central Kentucky, Ohio County in central Kentucky, until noon Central Standard Time. At 11:25 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located 10 miles east of Central City, moving northeast at 85 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Most homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Hartford around 11:35 a.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Louisville. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.